So, are you one of the million broadcasters and live streamers out there? You need some viewers to help compete? Because I can certainly appreciate that. Well, let me show you how Stream Booster, which is a nice free website, no bots, can actually help you out. So, basically how it works. People watch the stream, you get views, and the people who are watching the stream get gold. And then you use that gold to go to the promotion board to bid on being the person being featured on the watch section. So you win the bid for that, you get person featured, you can select your particular time and day, and then so when you're doing your normal streaming, you go online as normal, and the people watch your stream, and then you get viewers. So, as an example here, you usually get around 20 to 30, sometimes 50, depending on what time slot you're tuning in on. And so, as an example, this is one, I'm just on ground at the moment, so the top person is got 23 viewers. So if you're using person being promoted on Stream Booster, you're going to shoot right up to the top of that list, and that also means people are going to notice you, and the people who go, oh, I'm going to go and grounded, oh look, here's the first person on the list, not being the person all the way down the bottom here. So that's a lot better. So I'm going to show you with this guide how to use it effectively and how to get through that initial annoying to get to level 3 nice and quick. So, once you're signed in on Twitch, come to the website using the link I've left in the description. That gives you a bonus 25,000 gold, so it's a nice little starter pack. So come to the settings section first and just put in a brief description here. It doesn't matter too much what you put in, just something. And you may also want to change it. I like having the dark version of the website. And then save it. Now, it will probably take about 24 hours for that description to be approved. The actual moderator on the side is pretty good with that. So once you have that, that's important because in order to get this random gift, which comes every 6 hours, so for that one, you need to have the description. And once you've got that, you can start grabbing that random gift, so that's very handy. You can also initially, as soon as you start, grab the free spins. You may or may want to save that. I'll come back or get your, I'll just show you how that works. And it comes here, you get it's a slot machine and you get gold from it when you win. And so you have a couple of free, in my case I've got a lot of spins, we'll come back to why that's important later. I'm saving mine up. But the important thing is, once you're doing your initial watching, and that once you get 50,000 gold, you can then come and grab the mining upgrade, which lasts for 7 days. Now, the particular reason why you're wanting that and spending that as soon as you get 50,000 is that gives you a nice big chunk of experience, which will push your level, which starts at level 1, up to level 3. And that's important for 2 reasons. 1, in order to get the free spin, you get your initial free spin, but for every day after that, you need to actually be level 3. However, with my technique, you can get that nice and quick, so you can get your daily spins, and also, and possibly even more important for your initial little boost, once you are at level 3, you can then use these follows. People give you gold in order to follow them. So in this case, this guy is giving you 10,000 gold, which is a nice little deal there. I recommend also that, important to note, that you can only get up to 100 follows on this particular section of the site. So probably at least the people who have 5,000 gold are offering 5,000 gold to follow them. So unfortunately, Rink Factor, I'm not going to follow you because you're only offering 100 gold, sorry. But the important thing is, once you actually got those things, so the actual benefit of the mining one that allows you, it stops having there's a pop-up that comes up about every hour or so to continue mining gold. Yeah, it's one of those things you have to click on. Use this and it doesn't show. Is that once you have 100,000, you can then get the VP upgrade, which moves up your level for 7 days to be level 40, which is the maximum. That gives you a number of benefits in terms of bidding, but the important thing is, for earning gold, it pushes that up to the maximum, and then you get around, so that will increase your earning potential from watching it. Now, the good trick about why I like this site is that it's passive, as in, you can run this, you know, on a, if you've got double screen set up, you can just run it in the background. As long as it's still working, you can run it on 24 hours if you have like an old tablet. That's one of the ways I have it mine. You'll have to set up the tablet so it keeps on as long as it's got plugged in and getting power in your settings section. Check your guide for your particular tablet on how to do that. And then you can just be constantly earning gold for yourself. And that means that then you can put in a nice bid on when you want to be promoted. And like I said, it's free. Now you can actually buy gold if you want to. That's certainly an option. You can do that. But the reason I'm showing you this is because it's free, it's easy, it's straightforward. You don't have to do that much work. It's not just, having to constantly click on things. You can just set it up. As soon as you've hit level 3, and if there's upgrades, you can just keep on having the gold come in and keep on promoting, which is what you're here for. You're here to get your views. Now, one key thing and a way to really earn a nice chunk of gold is that periodically those free spins on the slots, they put a 500% bonus on it. So the wins you get are increased by 500%, which means if you save up your daily spins and don't use them and wait until they have got that daily spin bonus, which lasts for 24 hours, just to mention it, you can then use all your spins at once. So you put it on autoplay, click on spin, and it'll just keep on going, and your wins will just rack up. So that gives you a nice chunk of money. Now, important to note that when they actually have this 500% bonus, I suggest you wait and don't spend that gold straight away. The reason is, all those other smart people out there have also saved their spins up, and means everyone's got a lot of gold, which means inflation. So the bids can get really high. So that guy, for example, this one right here, it's currently up to 295,000. So it's a decent chunk of money. However, if you're patient, then you can actually just wait until everyone spends all their gold, that initial rush, and then when it drops down to being a more regular amount, you can then get your big sack of gold, put a couple of bids in, and get some nice promotion for you. So that's how it works, Stream Booster. So use my link in the description to get that 25,000 bonus gold at the beginning. You can get yourself started up nice and quick, get yourself promoted, and get your views in. So another quick website that I also use, so Owning. This one's aimed at small streamers, so if you're getting a huge following and a lot of views, you won't be able to use it anymore. They favor small streamers, but it's in some ways even better because you don't actually need to do anything besides sign up and log in with it. Now, to note that you only get a few viewers in this. The most I've seen is about 10, 15 people. Right now, how many people are online? Maybe 3 or 4 people. So at the moment. So it's not a huge amount, but again, hey, that's still giving you a boost on your views. So once you signed up, and you can come and support the small streamers by watching us on it, and I'll leave the link in the description. So if this has helped you out, like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment. If you are looking to do a team up, love to do a dual stream together. If you can do a multiplayer game or a co-op game, see if we can work something out. So until then, you guys have a great day. Good luck on your viewers and your streaming, and goodbye.